So today we're gonna knock out the oil catch can on this car, and it's pretty straightforward. Just something new. I never done it before. I was just curious how to get it done. Um, I'm most likely gonna put it right here because one piping port is gonna be here, connected to here, and I think here. So it's gonna be weird, but I'll figure it out. Probably gonna get it mounted here. So there's a part that's identical to this right here. So I have to remove that, replace it, and then the other side of the hose is going to be connected to this inlet right here. And then, oh, I don't know if you hear it, but it sounds like a Subaru. Nice. Anyways, put the bracket right here and have it hanging right here, so it's probably a perfect location. I have all the space right here. So the part is what you can see here. Old catch can itself, two rubber hoses. You have that part I told you you got to replace. Bracket, hose clamps, and that's pretty much it, guys. So let's get down to it. So it's pretty much mounted. I haven't tied it all the way in, not yet. Just want to have it secure. Just want to see how it looks, and let's put it on the car. So I'm gonna put it pretty much right under where the bracket will be for the water, the coolant reservoir overflow tank. So it's nice and snug. So basically, it's gonna be, I want to mount it right here. I think it's actually a perfect place. It's kind of hiding in plain sight, if you know what I mean. And now I have the two inlet ends. One is out, one in. They tell you, so you can, if you look closely, you can see it, so you know which hose to go to. And then now we're gonna remove this end right here and install this part right here. So I finally install it. It's pretty straightforward. The only issue I had with right into this installation is that the clamps, so it just seems like it's the same size all the way around. That, you know, this side is fine, this side is fine, but up here it expands and fits here. Just a quick note, this silicone hose only fits here. Reason why, the this end is wider than this side, so you can clearly tell that this belongs here to the valve cover while it connects to the oil catch can. But I was trying to use the fourth hose clamp to secure it, but unfortunately it wasn't large enough to cover up and then lock it in, and then it is also in like a strange awkward angle. So pulling it, like really pulling it, and it's not really getting off, which is good, but I don't trust it anyways. I will have to get a larger clamp just to secure it, just for, you know, longevity, just to make sure this thing will never, you know, find its way out over, you know, over time. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much the installation of the oil catch can. No big deal. Something you could probably knock out in like 30 minutes. And yeah, it's pretty easy, pretty simple. So this will eliminate any, you know, excessive contaminants that will go, you know, that tend to recirculate back in your engine. Now it just goes all the way through this oil catch can. And then the cool part about it, when I want to change it, we could always get under it with your space. You can actually turn it. So you can turn it one side, it tightens, turn the other, like what I'm doing right now. I turn the other like that. Oh, and I can actually get the fluid from down here, you know, pour it out, and then pretty much have it cleaned up and just kind of like, you know, finesse it back under and catch the thread and tighten it up back up again. And yeah, that's it. Last thing was the connector that's supposed to be connected to this part, which is a delete. For the new part was replaced, it's a delete, so it's just a wire hanging from, you know, has nowhere to go. So I went ahead and zip tied all the way up here in the front, where the connectors with, I believe, the not the vanos, the I think this is the cam position sensor. Yeah, intake side. Yep, but zip tied, connected it, and it's right there, nice and secure. Won't be in the way of anything. And that's it, guys. And that's pretty much it, guys. That is the full installation of the oil catch can on a 335i. And pretty easy, straightforward, no big deal. I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested in buying one of these for your BMW. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Peace, man.